Hello. So I have a quick haul here from Baker Creek. And the top three are seeds that came for free. So these Canterbury Bells is one. Actually, I ordered a pack of these, but they also put a pack in here for free. I got this balm, it just says Moldavian dragon head, which is really pretty. This salpiglosis, which is gorgeous. I can't wait to grow this. This is also a free seed. And then this is what I ordered. So I got some celosia. I tried growing this last year, but I didn't start it in time, and then sadly let my seeds dry out. I also ordered some sunflowers to add to my dwindling supply. So this Henry Wild, this Florenza, which is really pretty. This Arcadian Blend Mexican, which, looks just like the Mexican sunflower. This Bee Balm, Panorama Red. This African Daisy, it's called Blue Disc. I also got some more asters. The asters I grew this year came out absolutely gorgeous, and I'm planning to get some bees next year. So I got some Valkyrie Light Blue, this Salmon Janina. I also got this Honeywort in Kiwi Blue, which looked pretty interesting. Never grown it before. I got some more Snapdragons. This is a Mango Twist. And excuse my really dry hands too. I got this Cherry Twist. Here goes the packet of the Canterbury Bells that I actually ordered. I also got this Valkyrie Rose Aster. This Bergamo Monarda. Very pretty. I got some more milkweed. I have some out there growing, but I'd like to plant more. So I got butterfly weed. I got red or swamp milkweed, which is a really pretty pink. And then this is called showy milkweed, which looks so interesting. I can't wait to grow that. And then the last few are edibles. So this is a dill elephant. This Kamo squash. And this Digessi cauliflower. So looking forward to getting these started and in my collection for next year.